Hello everyone. Today we'll see bubble sorting algorithm, which is one of the basic sorting algorithms in data structures. How would we do sorting algorithm? Basically, the bubble sort which we'll be seeing right now. So in this video, basically, let's say we have an array 1, 4, 2, 5 maybe. So this is our array, and we need to sort this descending, which means it should be after our sorting is done, the our array should be 5, 4, 2, and 1 descending. So how should we do? So this is our initial array. So we can see that it is not sorted totally. So how would we do that using bubble sort? So bubble sort means what? Bubble sort means we'll pair, we'll have a pair, and then we'll compare these pair, and we'll swap if this is greater. So let's do a dry run of this. 1 4 2 5, right? So first iteration would be so we have initial 1 4 2 and 5. So this is our first position, that is the zeroth index of the array. So we'll match these and this. So here 1 and 4 we are checking. As 4 is greater than 1, we need to swap, because our approach has to be like descending, so greater should be first. So 4 will come to 1's position and 1 will go to 4's position. So after this is done, we'll have 4 1 2 5. Now what to do next? As our position was done, we'll now match. First position was done, we'll go to the second position, that is the first index of the array. So we'll compare these two. So as 2 is greater than 1, we'll again swap. So it should be 4 2 1 and 5. Now this is done, so the third position will go. So we'll check these and we'll swap. So it should be 4 2 5 and 1. We can see that it is still not totally sorted, so we'll again start from the first, because we have already reached the end, right? So we'll again start from the first. So here we'll match these two, which is fine. Then we'll match these two, and here we have 5 greater than 2, so it will swap. So 5 4 5 2 and 1, because these two swapped. So our fifth iteration is this. Now if I can show you the sixth, now we need to run again because it is still not sorted fully. So we'll again run that from the first index. This will go till full, because like if I can show you, so here we'll again start from the first. So 4 and 2 will not swap, because 2 is shorter, which is fine. So we'll go here and we'll check here, and we will swap. So 4 5 2 and 1. Now 2 and 1 is there, right? Here 2 came and 1. So 2 and 1, we don't need to do anything because 1 is smaller than 2, which is fine. But it is still not totally sorted, right? So we'll have sixth iteration, where we'll start again from here. 4 and 5, we need to again swap because 5 is greater. So 5 4, and then we have 2 and 1, and it is done. See, 2 and 1 will always like 4 and 5 after swap will start from 5 and 2, right? Which like 4 will come here, so 4 and 2 will start. These got swapped, and then 4 came here, so we'll start from the second position, which is 4 now. So 4 2 1. So 4 and 2 we will check, which is fine, we don't need to swap. So we'll go to 2 and 1 here. 2 and 1 is also fine, do we don't need to swap anything. So this is now became sorted. 5 4 2 1. So that's what our sort is. We just need to have we just need to like check the we just need to check the pairs. That's it. We'll pair one or two elements, and then if something is greater, we'll just swap. So let's use this concept in the code and see how it works actually. So we'll sort. I'm using C++. You can use any other programming language that might be suitable for you. So let's just design the boilerplate. Just write the boilerplate first. Stream using namespace std. Is it not? Yeah. So we'll have the main function. Okay, so yeah, we have the main function here. Just we'll have the return 0. So let's just write everything here. First we need an array, so let's just give maybe bubble array, um, equal to. I just use the same value here, whatever we have used. So 1425, which was our initial array. Maybe 1425. Same we'll use. Now what we need one function. So let's just check the function. Let's just write one function here. Maybe bbl algo. And what else we need in here? We have to pass this. Let's just call this. We'll just call this. We need to pass the array that is first. Type is integer. ppl. I'll just copy and we'll paste it here. So we have the array passed to our function. What else we need to pass? We can pass the size, or maybe we can calculate it here. Okay, let's pass maybe. Let's get the size. Mm, let's just check if our size is correct. See out size of bbl array. Will it output something? Okay, 4. I think it's working correctly. Let's just give one more element and see. 5. Okay, so it's working properly. This we can directly use. Just cut it from here. This is not required. And maybe we can give int bubble array size maybe. Okay, so we also need to okay, let's just pass this to our function. Passed, just catch it here. So we have the array and the array size. So now let's just write our loops. We will use for loops for this. Int I equal to 0, I is less than bbl, array of size, I should be size -1, I plus plus. We also need one more nested loops. We need the nested loops because of this. Like we have to again come back to the first position, right? To again check the pairs and swap the numbers. Like if it is not fully sorted, so we have to do that. That's why we need a nested for loop. So maybe int j equal to 0 still. J is less than so j should be second pair, right? So it should be less than if we do size here maybe minus I equal to 0 -1. So this will bound till the end of the array. So which means is j will only run till this position. After that it will again go back to the first position to again start the swapping. So here, like, if I can tell you, I'll just write the syntax properly. So what is happening here is like, why j is less than this? J is less than this means j should always be less than this one. I mean, it should be equal to this, like not more than that, j plus 1, because we'll do j plus 1 here to match. So firstly, what we will need is I'll just remove all this. So let's just remove these things. So we have our array here. Everything is set up. We have our loops. So first thing we have to do is compare this and this. So and maybe if um, we have our array, bubble array of j, which is 0 here. That means the first index. First index. Um, if j is less than j plus 1, we need to store it somewhere, I think. Let's just store the j plus 1 somewhere, or maybe you can have it here. Temp, maybe temp j. So we have our temp here. uh, so maybe temp j equal to, so what is happening here is like, if we are saying that bubble array of j, which is this, is less than that one, so it should swap. So before swapping we need to store, sorry, before swapping, just give one space, we need to store this one somewhere, right? Or else if I swap this to here, this value will be deleted, so we'll not get this value. So we need to store it somewhere, then again do that. So what will happen here is 4 will be stored somewhere in the temp variable, and this will overwrite, 1 will overwrite 4, so it will become, this will become some, this is already 1, so it will also become 1, 2, 5. So I'm just copying this to here. So it got the 4 got changed with 1, and 4 is saved in a temp variable. Now 4 should be here. So this one will override with 4. So it will ultimately become 4 1 2 5, and this is swapped from here. If you can see, this was 1 4, this is 4 1. So um, stem j should store this j plus 1. Okay. So now let's replace this with that. So bubble array of j should be this, and j plus 1. Okay, sorry, and j plus 1 should be temp j, because we are storing it there. So I think mostly we're done. We need to again output this, right? So let's just output it here. Maybe after all everything is done, we can output it here with another for loop. We need to output using for, because like it's an array, right? So we need to use for int k. Maybe we can use 0, k is less than, maybe size should be same, k plus plus, see out, maybe what was the array, this one, then maybe k we can give. or maybe we can give some space also with this. Let's see if it works. It does not work. Now let's see why it is not working. mm, int I equal to 0 is less than this, which is fine. For int j equal to 0, j is less than our array size minus I minus j plus plus. If BBL array of j is less than BBL of j plus 1, temp j equal to BBL array of j plus 1, BBL array of j equal to plus 1, and BBL array of j plus 1 equal to temp j. Okay, so less than j plus 1, which is correct. So BBL array of j, which is this, is less than BBL array of j plus 1, which is this. So in the temp j, we are storing j plus 1, and j plus 1 should be j, and j should be j plus 1. Sorry. Yes. Because you can see here, array of j is less than array of j plus 1. Array of j means what? This is less than array of j plus 1, which is true. So that means in temp j we are storing j plus 1. So 4 is getting stored in temp j, and temp, maybe if I can write, just I'll write 4 here. Temp j is storing here, and 4 is getting stored in temp j, and BVL array of j plus 1, which means this position equal to BVL array of j. So it becomes 1. Up to here, and BVL array of j equal to temp j, and 4 goes here. BVL array of j means first position. So that's how everything will be sorted, and we'll get the sorted array here. So that's about it. So basically we're swapping it using this for loop, and this is there so that we can run it again from the start, which means like, see, 1 4 2 5 it was, right? So we have how many sizes are there? Total size 1 2 3, so that it should run till here. The j plus 1 should be this, right? So here it should stop after one iteration. So 1 4 4 swaps, 1 1 2, nothing swapping, not there, so same. 2 5, yes, 5 is greater, so 5 2. So this happens, and this for loop is done. Now this one will go to first increment again, so it will again start from j equal to 0 here. So it will again check 1 4, correct, so no need of swapping. So 4 1, then it will go here 1 5, yes, we need to swap, so 5, then 1, then 1 2, yes, should be 2 and 1. So another I is done. Now I will be 2, and it will be again swapping from the initial starting position. So 5 4, 5 will come here, 4 will come here, and 4 2 will check, which is totally fine. So we'll write 2 here, 2 and 1, which is totally fine, and it is solved. So that's how things will do. Things will go, and this is basically what bubble sort means. That's it. Thank you.